everyone, welcome back to my channel again with another amazing video. And today we have most legendary speaker in the market, that is Acton 3 and Stanmore 3. So without wasting any time, let's do the battle between the both of these speaker and see which one is the best. We exactly know Stanmore 3 is the best one, but don't worry, we will see how much is the exact difference between the sound of this speaker. So you can see the control knob is also available on the Marshall Acton 3 and the same as well as Marshall Stanmore 3. And you can see there is also power on and off button is available, which is look very attractive. And also we have the bass treble options available in it. And without wasting any time, let's get started from the Marshall Stanmore 3. the best battle in this channel. And you can see RCA Acton 3 gives the very hardest battle to the Stanmore 3, which we did not expect. The sound quality of the both of these speakers was the top notch, and Acton 3 was very perfect. As per their price, as per their watt, everything was perfect in the Acton 3. And also you can see RCA Stanmore 3 produces very ultimate sound, and also the mixture of the bass and treble was perfect in the Stanmore 3. And if I compare both of these speakers, one is 60 watt, that is Acton 3, and RCA Stanmore 3 is 80 watt. So after all the sound test, RCA Stanmore 3 is clearly the winner of this battle, and there is no major difference between the sound quality of the speaker, and there is a little bit much louder than the Acton 3. And if you want a budgetary friendly speaker, then you must go for the Acton 3. And otherwise you have option like little big, then you must go for the Stanmore 3, because the difference between the price of this speaker is only 10,000. So you can choose your speaker as per your requirement, but if I suggest, you must go for the Acton 3 because it is a budgetary and very friendly speakers. So I hope guys, in this video all your doubts will be clear, and if you still have any doubts, then write down in the comment section. I will definitely solve your issues and queries. So I hope guys you are enjoying the videos in this channel, and then must do the like, subscribes and comment. And this type of videos will be uploading in this channel very shortly. So stay tuned for the more updates, and thank you so much for watching.